I'm inside. The sun's in my eyes. Look, isn't it cool? See the walls behind me? Yes, 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 yes. So cool, so cool. And I feel kind of bad because John's been doing this all by himself, believe it or not, poor thing, as I've been working in the house. Anyway, I'll be helping him, don't you worry. So yeah, I love it. So we've been talking about different things to do. I'm inside here. So this will be my door, which is kind of at the back because you have to think of the wind and to make sure things circulate. And then we're trying to figure out, because originally we were going to put it where there's this, where he moved the snow earlier. You see that earlier with the tractor, but I kind of decided to put it here because I'm not quite sure why exactly he decided to do that, but anyhow. So I still have all this space, so what I was thinking of doing is probably a huge window, like a box. And this would be a perfect place to plant some rhubarb. So this will be the entrance. So you'll be going in through this door, just like I am, and then we'll be putting in our other boxes over here to grow our vegetables. Oh, so exciting. I'm so excited. So I'm going to go and see what John's doing right now so I can give him a hand. There's my women. Okay, let's go see what we've done today. So we're going to take a look at where we left off yesterday to the greenhouse. We actually had a few little bits of snow falling, which is not fun. It's amazing how quickly the temperature changes until it stabilizes. Anyways, so here we are. We have done quite a bit yesterday. What do you think, Win-Win? What do you think? Yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. So we are going to cover this side with plexiglass that was given to us quite a few years ago, and that's what we decided to use. We went to the hardware store yesterday, and it's incredible how high the lumber is this year, so we're glad that we've used what we had around. I think we'll be okay. But yeah, to move forward with our other projects, I'm not sure if we're actually going to be able to unless this price of wood goes down, or we're just going to have to think of a different alternative, maybe. Anyways, that's for later. Winnie, what are you doing? Win-Win. Winterfell. Come on. Silly girl. Anyway. I don't know if you can see, there's still a few little flurries coming in the air. Come on, Win-Win. if you like our videos and you like to see the other projects that we're doing here on the homestead this year, please subscribe, hit the little bell so you can get a notification, and you can journey with us as we progress and enjoy our life here at our homestead and create a more sustainable lifestyle.